In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsnooze notifications on Slack. If you've ever found yourself missing important messages because you snoozed notifications and forgot to unsnooze them, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the entire process. It's surprisingly simple once you know where to look. So, let's dive right in and ensure you never miss another essential update. First things first, go ahead and open your Slack application. You could be using it on your desktop or mobile, but today we'll be focusing on the desktop version since the procedure can slightly differ. Once you've opened Slack, make sure you're logged in and looking at the main workspace area where all your channels and direct messages are displayed. Now, take a look at the top left corner of your Slack interface. You should see your workspace name and your profile picture right next to it. Click on your profile picture and a drop-down menu will immediately appear. In this menu, you'll find various options related to setting your status and managing notifications. Here, one of the options listed is Pause Notifications. If it's currently on snooze, it'll indicate so with a highlighted snooze icon or the word paused next to it. Right here is where you can manage your notification settings. Go ahead and click on Pause Notifications. By doing this, you'll open up another menu with more detailed settings for what time you want to resume notifications, or, most importantly, to unsnooze them. From this list, you'll notice options such as Resume Notifications or Turn Off Snooze. Simply click on any of these options, depending on what is available, to immediately unsnooze your notifications. When you resume notifications, this turns the snooze feature off, allowing all your messages and alerts to come through as they happen. It's always a good idea to manually check and confirm that notifications are active again. So take another glance at the notification menu to ensure snooze isn't highlighted anymore. Remember, keeping track of your notifications is crucial for staying in touch and on task with your team. You might also want to explore setting notification preferences so that only important alerts get through, which can be found in the same menu we just navigated. It's definitely worth tailoring these settings to suit your workflow needs. With these steps, you now have the basic knowledge to manage your notifications, ensuring you're always in the loop just when you need to be. So, there you have it. Quick and easy steps to unsnooze your Slack notifications, ensuring you won't miss any important updates or messages. Be sure to revisit this tutorial if you ever find yourself snoozing notifications again, and feel free to explore other settings to enhance your Slack experience even further. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking!